Guys, this is for Aklock, and I'm going to make it fast because I estimate today you have about 5 seconds to get found by a recruiter. Now, what are they searching on? Skills, location, maybe industry, and other keywords. If they were to know your name even, and they came across a listing that showed all these other people, who's going to stand out first? I'm going to say to you that open to opportunities is not something that they're looking for. They're looking for somebody that can add value and has the best skills, the best match. So if I jump in here into your profile, I would not be starting your headline with open to opportunities. Tell us that you're an iOS developer, not the skill iOS development, and tell us in the tagline, the headline, what your tagline is. What would sell you and make you stand out from other people? You've got skills that are packed in your About section, but if I never open that up, I'm never going to see these. Get these skills loaded into the other areas that you have here. You only have 23 skills. You can have up to 50. I don't see half those skills that you have mentioned up there in your About section down here in your skills section. Again, that is critical for searches. So Aklock, I'm going to leave it there, but that is what I would say to get you found the best and the fastest in today's hiring world. Hope that was a good one. Thanks, guys. Have a great one. Bye.